Hey everybody, Don Durrett, Gold Stock Data. People have been having a hard time finding my share price forecast tool. So I wanted to show you, I did this video uh, once before, but I don't think I showed you. I think I started the video with it already open. So you find it in the company profile. So this is Newfound Gold, and it's in the quick links, and it's under internal. So hit this drop down. So here's the internal, and this is the tool. So let me close that, go back. So the share price forecast is, so it's an internal tool, share price. Now the one thing, it will not appear if it's an exploration company or a royalty company or a development company that doesn't have any future production. It'll be hidden. And so that's kind of tricked people. So the way that you can tell if it has future production is this section right here. This is the resource data. And so this has future production 350. So if one of these two is populated, if it has future production entered, then if it has future production, then it's going to have future free cash flow. So $1 billion. So now if we go to the tool, and these are the defaults. So if I hit the calculate button, it'll match what's currently in. Let's see if it matches. So there was 2301, 977, and it matches 977. So the default will match what we're currently there. So this is the current default upside. Now we're going to play with it a little bit. So it's using fully diluted, it's using 359, which is their current shares, which I think is a little optimistic because we're going to play with it a little bit. So I'm going to change this to 400. Well, I'll go 450. We're going to go 5 years down the road, and I'm going to use 18, which I think is fairly conservative, if you will. And then production, I'm going to take it all the way to 400,000 ounces. Now I'm going to take cost all the way to 3,000. And silver's not used, so silver has zero production on silver. Um, so this is the baseline. This is what's currently in their company profiles. This is the current multiple is nothing. And then we have, and uh, this is the expected future production, 350, and the future gold price, 5,000, and then my expected 2,500, which this is really kind of conservative. That's like an ASIC of like 1,500. So I should really bump that up to like at least 2,300 because this is a long term. So that's why I'm playing with these numbers. Now I'm gonna hit the calculate button. And down here, which is kind of the baseline. So this is the future market cap, $8 billion. This is the free cash flow, millions US dollars, $1 billion. I'm gonna hit the calculate. We're gonna come down. So now it's showing future market cap of 14 billion, and then free cash flow actually dropped. It's 800 million annual. This is annual, but I have it up to an 18 bagger. Before it was like zero point 0.7. That was equating for dilution, and it's showing as a 14 bagger, um, which I think is kind of legitimate. Now, how long can it take them to get to 450? So now if we back it off a little bit, let's say we'll take it to 3,000, 300,000 ounces. And now we're going to take this cost down to, let's say 20, I don't know, 600, 700. We'll go 700, hit the calculate button. So this would be more like maybe in 4 years. So this is kind of a better number that we've got basically a 10 bagger, maybe in 4 years as 300,000 ounce producer. So that's kind of how you play with this. And if they had silver, you could add the silver there. So that's the tool. I wanted to give you guys a quick little update. on how to use it. And so that's that.